So that didn't go as according to plan. I think I filmed myself like getting ready. I literally put like barely any makeup on. It literally takes like 2 seconds. Kind of straightening my hair, and then I put it up anyway. And I really need a haircut, and I haven't gotten my haircut since I left New Jersey. And I don't know where to go because it seems extremely like really pricey when I just need it like trimmed. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. And then breakfast I made, kind of trying to show you that, but it's so dark in here. It's the morning. It's like an overcast kind of cool day in January in Florida on Friday. And I was going to film more of like an aesthetic making my coffee, and I was going to do that as the video I was uploading this week. And then I was like, oh, I'll just kind of take you through like a trying to be productive Friday before the weekend, and I don't know how that's going to go. But it said my card was full on my camera and I couldn't record. I'm like, there's like nothing on here. I delete everything like after I upload it and put it to my external hard drive, and I don't know why. So I took the videos out and then I put the card back in and it said it was full, and I'm like, what the heck? So I had to reformat the card. I don't know why that happens. I think, I don't know, like metadata, I don't know, but something weird, whatever. So now it's fine. But I didn't really get to film the rest of the coffee because I was like, I was pouring it when it said it was full, and that just, it didn't work. So now I need to bring something back from Amazon. I need to drop it off at a UPS store. I need to actually like initiate the refund on my account and then get hopefully a code that they can scan from my phone because I have a printer. And then I'm waiting for the electric company to call me back because lots of problems, and it's really hard to get to a real person. And I think I finally did. I don't know. We'll see what happens. They're supposed to call me back within 10 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. And then I wanted to get some, like, maybe, like, get my taxes, like, done and sent over to the woman who helps me, like, do taxes. Get a head start on that. It's almost February, so I have a little bit of time, but... And then there's like some other things I wanted to just kind of get done, little like admin things that I'm just putting off, and I know I'll feel better once they're done, but I'm like, do I really want to do that on Friday? I mean, it's not a nice day. It's kind of cool too, so it's not, I don't know. So I'm not really sure what I want to do today. I was going to be productive and I was going to film that. So we'll see how things go. I'm going to see if they actually call me back within the next like 10-15 minutes. And then from there, I will catch up with you again and then see if I want to go to the UPS store today or maybe go on the weekend tomorrow. I think they're probably open on Saturdays, and I don't know. But yeah, so it's going to be a weird kind of, I'm going to try to get things done today, but you know, that's, Who knows? So apparently my meter is like not working, and it has been working since October. So my energy bill from the electric company has been estimating it ever since October. And so now in Florida, South Florida, August, September, those are like the hottest months. And my bill was like less than it is right now in December and January. So I finally was able to get through to a very nice girl. And there's all these problems on my dashboard too. I can't even look at my energy usage on there because it just has not been populating. And I think it's because my like meter is offline. They're still trying to fix it ever since October. Apparently by sometime mid-February, it should be back online, and then they can get actual readings of my energy usage. So right now I've been getting estimated bills that are like 100, like crazy amounts that I know I'm not using that energy. So apparently once that's all fixed, they'll be like, you know, prorating or whatever, like reducing my bills or making up for it, because right now they're estimation, so they can't actually get the readings, which is kind of weird because how do you get the actual number if the meter's offline? I don't know, but at least now they're aware of the problem a little bit more, hopefully, and hopefully I can get like, because there's no way that my energy bill is that high when my AC's not even coming on right now because it's like January, you know, it's pretty cool most days, so that's not fun. Now I just did the return. I have the thing. I need to go find a UPS store now and drop off the camera that I'm not going to keep. And yeah, I don't know. So this day, well, I guess that was pretty productive. That wasn't even on my list of things to do, but when I got my estimated bill today in the email, I was like, oh my God, are you kidding me? So yeah, I guess we'll keep, now I'm looking out the window and I see like wetness on my patio, so I don't know if it's raining. We'll see. And maybe I'll bring you along, maybe not, I don't know, because if it's raining I don't want to bring this outside. Yeah. Let's see what the rest of the day has in store for us. Okay, so I don't think I even like finished the vlog yesterday. So I did send my package. I believe, I don't know if I checked in with you guys after that. And they charged me $4 to like print out a piece of paper. So I was kind of pissed about that. And then I came home and I had to file for homestead. So that's, you get like a reduction on your property taxes when you live in Florida, because most people who live here, you know, they're snowbirds, so they come, you know, during the winter months, and they don't live here full time. But when you're a full-time resident, you can get like a deduction. So I had to do that before March 1st. I did do that, so I felt pretty good about that. But then I was just like, you know what, today is just not, it's not a good day. It was rainy and cold and whatever. So I just went to sleep. And then today is Saturday. I had a nice morning, and then I drove all the way down to Pompano, and they had their like green market at the cultural center, and they have it like twice a month. So I just went down there to see. I kind of felt like I wasted gas driving all the way down there. Like, it was not that great. All those markets are pretty much the same, and you walk around real quick and then you're done. And then I ended up calling my mom, and I was on the phone with her for like an hour just walking around there. So that was kind of weird, and I didn't realize I was on the phone with her that long. And then I just drove back and made a pit stop at Walmart, and now I'm home. And I'm probably gonna try to edit this before tomorrow, and then I will be posting it tomorrow. But yeah, so it was not as productive of a day, or the last few days, as I wanted, but I mean, we're making headway. We're doing little things, small steps. But hopefully next week I'll have a much better video for you. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next week.